Hey everyone, happy Monday. So today starts every single day I'm doing a video from beginning to end. We're going to work buying a house, selling a house. We're going to do pros and cons. So it's going to be an education and then it's going to be a pro and a con. But before we start this whole series, I want to talk about what's going on now. Okay? The real estate market right now, and everyone's freaking out. They're saying, oh, we see this coming, this. I want to say this first and foremost. When you are a professional at what you do, you have to stay in your lane of what you do. So I'm also saying this to other realtors as well. I am not in any way, shape, or form an attorney, an accountant. That's why I do not give advice. When people call me constantly and ask me legal advice or they ask me advice about accounting and taxes, I'll give them the basics 101, but I always say talk to your accountant, talk to your attorney. If you need any good attorneys or accountants, I'll refer them to you, right? Everybody should be setting their opinion within their professional industry, and that's it. So, for instance, what's happening in the market right now and what's going to happen, we don't really know. We can speculate, we can tell you what's happening, but I don't like people telling everyone this is 100% happening, because if they're wrong, you'll never hear from them. And if they were right or they were right by chance, oh my God, they thought they knew everything. The problem is that you have to kind of say, listen, this is what we see happening. This is going to be the pros and this is going to be the cons. And you have to guide people in the direction of their comfortability, what's best for them. I am not going to tell you what's best for you. I can give you my opinion. I tell people all the time, do not sell your house. It is better for you not to sell. This is the reason why, in my opinion. This is the reason why, you should keep your house, or vice versa, whatever the case may be. But I am not here to tell you what's going to happen in this market. I'm not here to tell you, oh, this is where the market's 100% going, right? What I will say, I'm seeing things stay on the market longer. Yeah, I'm seeing days on the market longer. What I am seeing, a big common factor, and I'm not comparing this market to 2007, but in 2007, one of the biggest things I seen was people that were realtors were freaking out because there was no inventory, and they were promising people the world just to get listings. And the other day, I just saw a house go on the market for $750,000 in a community that never in the history of the world did a house ever sell for $750,000. And the same exact house just went on the contract for $600,000, which was overpriced. And I asked the agent, where did you come up with this number? Why did you? And she wouldn't say anything. She's like, what? She just wanted the listing that bad. And that is so wrong on so many levels, because now you are telling the seller whatever they want to hear to get a listing just so you can have a listing. And you don't know how the neighbors are portraying or seeing that. And they're saying, oh, my house is worth that. Oh my God, I'm going to get this much money. This is great. And then you have other neighbors that are like, if their house is worth that, see, that's the problem. They're saying, if my house is worth that, the house is worth that. They're just asking that. I'm going to refi. I'm going to pull money out. Oh my God, I'm going to buy something. And that is a big problem. We should not be going out there trying to promise people the world to get business. We should not be telling buyers, you should buy this house just so you can get business. That is not right. You should not be giving advice. Right? If you don't know, you should not be telling people stuff that you don't know, especially if it's not. And you should not be convincing people to sell or buy just to enhance your pockets. And that's a big problem we're seeing in this market. So this is why I do the education I do. I just do pros and cons. Anything you want to know about real estate, whatever I can help you with. Obviously, we sell over 100 houses a year. It's not that it makes me a better agent. It's just I see so much more. I'm in front of contracts constantly. I'm in front of houses, inspections, appraisals. So I just have so much more experience with it that I can show you what's working and not working, especially for us. So any questions you have, I look forward to doing this series with you. I know I've been trying to do it in the past, but now I have it where it's just going to be every day organized. I'm going to be doing it on my business page. So if you've seen this on my personal page, I'll tag my business page. And yes, of course, I'm going to be doing a lot of food and fun and a lot of events. I have my Fun Tampa site, which is all about food and fun in Tampa. And the Karen Group, which is my business page, we do a lot of events from food truck festivals and giveaways and free carpet cleaning, whatever the case may be. Anything you want to learn, let me know. I appreciate it so much. Thank you guys so much for the support. Karen, Fun Tampa. Talk to you soon.